Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I got some cool stuff right here from Nomad. I have their classic leather strap, I have their modern strap, and I have the sport strap. All of them are available on their website, which you see right there on the screen, and that's the website right behind me. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring the camera in closer. We'll go ahead and unbox each one of these, and I'll put a couple of them on my Series 5 Apple Watch so you can see what they look like on the watch. Awesome news. I'm gonna be giving away a couple of these. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna bring the camera in closer and let's check them out. Laters. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at these leather straps here. Wow, let me bring it in closer so you can see. Okay, here's a closer look at this Nomad classic leather strap. All right, let's take it out of there. Now I have a 44mm stainless steel Series 5 Apple Watch. And yeah, let's put it on there. See what it looks like. Now here's a good look at it. Okay, flip around and you can see where it says Nomad. And on the right hand side it says Horween Leather Company, Chicago, since 1905. So these guys are the real deal. They've been making real leather for a long time. Now let's go ahead and put this on my Series 5 and see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is on my wrist, as you can see, and I'm loving the rich, dark look of this brown leather. It looks a little darker than it appears on camera, but yeah, it feels good. It feels like a nice, durable, well-made material, that's for sure. You know, I love how seamless it looks right here. How the face of the watch seems to just go right into it. Very, very nice look. I love that. Looking here at the classic strap, each strap is made with true craftsmanship. They use the best materials, state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques to create a strap that is unique to the market. They use Horween leather for these straps as it offers an unparalleled blend of quality, consistency, responsiveness, and innovation. As the strap comes into contact with elements around you, the leather will develop a patina or a dark, lustrous sheen, making your strap unlike any other. Okay, let's see what the sport strap looks like for the 42mm Apple Watch here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Ooh, okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so here's the sport strap. I'm liking this nice kind of soft silicone feel, right? But it's like a nice rugged manly look to it. All right, let's go ahead and take this out. And here's the inside of that. All blacked out, except for a little trim of gray there. Okay, let's go ahead and take this out. Ooh, reminds me of the classic buckle. I'm digging this. It's nice, have the brown leather, then the black leather. Okay, let me bring this in for a closer look. Okay, so here's the 42mm modern strap on the right hand side. Horween Leather Company, Chicago, since 1905, and Nomad on the left hand side there. But I'm digging this one too. You know, I think I would just rotate daily. You know, like wear this one Monday, then the other one Tuesday, then Wednesday, because I like all of them. But I'm gonna keep my word and give away absolutely all of these. So good luck to everybody entering. You're getting a quality product here. All right, thanks to our good friends over there at Nomad, here is the stuff I'm going to be giving away. I have 3 straps I'm gonna be giving away, as well as the 2 leather cases shown in the unboxings. So yeah, go ahead and comment in the comment section and good luck. Laters. All right, I got some super cool giveaways from Nomad, and you wanna know how to enter? Well, it's simple. All you gotta do is leave a comment in the comment section. Now, I'm just gonna randomly pick somebody in the comment section. The only thing I wanna say is make sure to watch your notifications, because if I reply to you and say, hey, send me a DM on Twitter with all of your information so I can send you this giveaway, you gotta make sure you reply, because there have been times I've done that and then people don't reply, then I gotta pick somebody else. So that sucks, right? Right. But anyways, this super cool Nomad gear can be yours. You just gotta enter. Laters.